Driving me mental. We're down this big long road, mud, everything. The van, everything in the back of the van has just been trashed about, and we've still got, I don't know how long on this road. I don't even know where it's leading to. I don't know if anything runs towards the van.
Stressed out, Dad.
Stressed out, man. We have just been down the worst road going. This van is taking a beating. We got to a dead end, it was a stream. Sat nav saying carry on. I think we're nearly at the end, onto a proper road. It's a little bit further. Across bricks and
mud.
Just got to get over a dodgy bridge. Still doesn't look much better. Alright, crunchy crunchy. Oh, I could just eat a crunchy now. Alright, this road is definitely a bit better, Lily will show you. So we've gone round in a massive circle. Done about 15 kilometres of just bashing the hell out of the van. I think we might need new shock absorbers. Lily's lashing her phone because the bump's that bad. You can see on the map here, this blue bit here is where the dead end was. So we're now going all the way back to the right. Still telling us to go that way. We're going to have to find some route south. We're only supposed to be in the van an hour. Guys, the wind up here is amazing. Right, this video doesn't end, but my talking ends. I'm going to go around this corner. Oh, my phone, man. We made it to the top, to the end of the world. This place is called the Cape of Rodon. It's a bit windy and it's starting to rain. If you didn't hear me before, we're at the Cape of Rodon. It's windy as hell. Yes, you're going to perform the sermon. Gonna go on a little adventure. Let's do it. A little path here. As long as I don't fall. Oh yeah. Oh, getting down might be a bit shit. Use this tree. Oh, I'm falling. Not looking forward to getting down there. Whoa, little tunnel. It's not cool. Yeah. Just pull yourself up. Left hand on that branch in front of you. Oh, you're alright.
What are you filming there?
Right, let's see what light at the end of the tunnel is down here. All made of sand. So I'm a bit worried. It fucking collapses on me. Oh, where do we go? I can see the sea. Kills that. Just comes out into the side of the mountain. Oh, that's too near the end. Now I've got to try and get back down that other side now. Lily's trying, but she's on her butt. She ain't winning.
I'm actually not being a mother.
Right, somehow I've got to get down here now. Oh shit. Whoa. Right. Try and get in Lily's footsteps. Wait. Whoa. What? Well, I'm glad it's in that little tunnel because otherwise the day has been a bit wasted because it's a bit of a letdown here. Just found a little woman here, she's only got orange juice by the look of it. Well, you would have never thought this, would you? Restaurant, bar, all the way through the mountain. Oh, you're kicking sand in my head. Keep a lookout. I've just got back to the van with Lily, and I just checked the map before I left, and I don't think I've actually seen the main thing, so I'm back on foot again.